Alright, we've got a woodpecker here at the entrance of its nest feeding its babies. This is an old hickory tree. Much of the hickory tree is already dead. They don't nest in live wood, and that's why it's so crucial to maintain a certain number of dead trees here and there in a forest, because the woodpeckers have to have the dead wood in which to hollow out their nest cavities. Again, about half the branches on this tree are still alive, but this large portion of trunk jutting upwards provides the perfect nesting location for this woodpecker. Unfortunately, I'm zoomed in about as far as we can get, and this is about as good a view as we can get of the interaction between the parent and the offspring. It's really hot. You can see the woodpecker actually panting a bit because it's sitting right there in the direct sun. We'll let it go about its business now.